Hi guys, welcome to Favorite Toy Reviews, and here is a set from Play-Doh called Magic Swirl Ice Cream Shop. It's from the Sweets Cafe edition, and let's check it out. This is the back of the box, showing everything you'll get inside the box. Okay, so this is what's inside. We have an ice cream maker here, and there's the topping and sprinkler, base, spoons, ice cream scoop, dishes, cones here, and then this base has a lot of other molds that you can make other creative stuff with. So let's start playing with this set. Okay, so time to make some ice cream. Let's start with this green Play-Doh. And I'm going to take this cone here. Now it fits here, like that. And as I'm moving this, it's just gonna swirl the cone. So let's start it. I'm gonna take a little. So it goes right in here. Okay, so to have some sprinkles on your ice cream, here's the sprinkle maker, and what you need is some Play-Doh. I have some really cute pink one here. Now you take that out, put in the Play-Doh, and this part you have to unlock it completely and attach it right here. So now it's ready, and this just goes down. So this is how it looks like. These are some really cute treats that are made using the molds, and I'm going to show you later how to make them. Alright guys, so this is what I made today using this really cool Play-Doh set called the Magic Swirl Ice Cream Shop. These are all the really cool creative treats that I made using the molds. And here are some ice cream cones and dishes. Check out this really cool cake. So this set is really creative. You can use it in so many ways and have lots of fun with it. So I hope you like my video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Favorite Toy Reviews and check out my other videos. Thank you.